Nobody will believe you're using bread in this recipe. A quick and delicious recipe. For the recipe, we're going to need 3 loaves of bread. Slice them. In a bowl, add 250 grams of minced beef, 1 chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of mild paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and mix using your hands. Take a moment to let me know where you're watching us from so that I can send you a special hug and thank you for following our recipes. We'd love to know. Take a portion of our meat with your hands and roll it into this shape. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then like the video and comment below, I love bread. Now, take a baking pan and grease it with butter. Use a brush to do it. Now place the bread in it. This recipe is an incredible idea for lunch or dinner. I'm sure your whole family will love it. Now add the beef on top of the bread. And finally, pour the beaten eggs. Put everything in the oven, preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and let cook for 30 minutes. And our recipe is done! Look how delicious it is! I really hope you liked our recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!